Right, we are going to do extended access list now. In the previous class we saw what is access list and we learned how to write a standard access list. It was 2 routers, but now we have 3 routers. There is a rule. Write standard access list close to the destination. Now this is the target. We were trying to prevent these computers or one of this computer reaching the devices in 20.0.0 network. But we were doing using standard access list, and I told you standard access list to be written close to the destination. We wrote it on the last router in the previous lab. Extended access lists need to be written close to the source. Extended access list to be written close to the source. Standard access list close to the destination, extended access list close to the source. Did you understand the meaning of it? The closest router. Very nice. Now, let us talk about one scenario. I want to deny only this computer talking only to the server. This 10.0.0.2 can talk to 20.0.0.1, no problem. But it cannot talk to the server. Whereas this PC can talk to anyone, no problem. Can talk to anyone. How do we do that? Because here source as well as destination is involved. What is that? This, let me call it as B. B cannot talk to D. B can talk to C. A can talk to both D and C. Here you can see both source and destination are involved. So we cannot do this with standard ACL. We need extended ACL. So I'm going to write it on router A like this. Access list. Number that you're supposed to use is between 100 to 199. So I say 101. Deny IP. First is protocol. IP. IP means what? Every conversation. It can be ping, it can be telnet, it can be SSH, anything. IP means if you stop IP, you stop everything. If you stop water, no air, no life. You get oxygen from water. Water is life. So if you stop water, there is no point of asking, did you stop burger? Did you stop pizza? No point of asking it. All are stopped if you stop water. You can't make burger, you cannot make sambar, you cannot make pepper fry, nothing. Likewise, this is an IP world. If you deny IP, you deny all services, telnet, UDP, TCP, everything is stopped. So I'm saying, deny IP coming from host, any IP traffic coming from host 10.0.0.2 going to host 20.0.0.2. That's it. This is to deny B talking to D. Next, all the rest should be permitted, right? So without fail, I have to say access list 101, permit, IP, any host source, any destination host, 2 times any. So this will permit B talking to C as well as A talking to C and D. Not only that, even routers can talk. A can talk, anyone can talk, router A can talk. Right, so I'm going to write this statement on router A. Now I want to explain you why standard access list should not be written on A. Standard access list was like this. Before I demo this extended access list, I just want to clarify this. The interviewer may ask you why you said standard access list need to be written close to the destination. Why is that? Why can't you write in router A? See, standard access list is matching only the source. If you say access list 10 deny 10 host 10.0.0.2, now 10.0.0.2 cannot talk to any network. If I write it here, he cannot talk to router B, he cannot talk to router C. See, that's not your objective. You want to deny 10.0.0.2 talking to this guy. But if you write here itself, it will deny going to anywhere. So if there is an internet here, that also it cannot go. That's why standard access list should be written close to the destination. Whereas extended access list, we write near the source. We write close to the source. Because here you are matching all criteria. Source, destination, protocol. So if the traffic from B is going to C, will it stop? No, it won't stop because it says any. Permit. If B is going to somewhere internet here, will it stop? No. Router A will stop only if this protocol, this source and this matches. If not, it is going to permit. So you can write it close to the source. So you don't need to waste the bandwidth here and then get dropped here. You can drop the packet going to router, going to D. You can drop the packet going to D right on the router A itself. So there is no need of sending and dropping on the last router. Did you understand what I said? Very nice. Now let us go configure this. I'm on router A. Enable config the host, access list 101. Deny the protocol any IP traffic coming from host 10.0.0. What is the host number? 10.0.0.2. 10.0.0.2. Going to the host 20.0.0.2. I denied. And rest all I permit. Permit IP any host, any destination. Okay. Is this clear? Any question? That's great. Now let us apply this to an interface. Now if you are applying this to G00, if you are applying here, then you should say what? In. If I apply it to this port, then it should be what? Out. You understood? Which interface you want me to in which interface you want me to apply? Tell me. Anyone you tell me. Okay. Okay, Priya, you tell me if I apply G001, should I say in or out? Huh? Please unmute, wait few seconds and then tell the answer. Which interface I am applying, Priya? No, no. Pavitra said we will apply on G001. Should I say in or out there? Interface G001 IP access group command. See, you should use the command group. When you bind it to the interface, it's not listed. It's group. Access group 101 out. Alright, let's verify. Show access list. This is the access list. If any IP traffic coming from this host going to this destination, that need to be denied. All the rest should be permitted. This sequence number we did not give, it automatically comes. Now let us go verify it. I'll first ping from 10001. It will ping 4 packets pinged, another 20002, another 4 packets. So 8 packet will be matched in the second statement. Permit any. Let's go verify that. You see, 8 packet matched here to the permit statement. Now we are going to ping from this source to this destination. Ping from here to 20002. See, it is saying destination host unreachable, and you will see 5 packet matched on the first line. Oh, sorry, 4 packet. 4 packet we pinged, 4 packet matched with a deny statement. Now if I ping from the same PC, the other computer, it will ping 20001 because we did not deny traffic going there. So this will match with the second statement. Earlier the second statement was having 8. This time I should see 12. Yes. Is this clear, both of you? The access list is a very important topic. So